everybody, this is Sam. So this is the last day or the last that I filmed because I don't know really. Because bukas may pasok na po here in the Philippines in private schools. So may pasok na po bukas. So I tried to vlog today but my eyes is so it's low but I want to sleep. But for you YouTube guys, I will do anything because I want to make you happy. So this clip is my second FB clip, or you can guess like that, and I don't really know or somehow reasons. No, I'm just kidding. So I'm gonna show you my laptop, my new laptop. Yeah. So this is the tour of my new laptop. my face like that. Oh, it's awkward. So wait, I'm just gonna wear my glasses first before I'll do this because I can see a lot sometimes, but this day I can just see. So this is my laptop, Acer Iconia. As you can see, this is my laptop. So this is my new vlogging laptop because my dad bought this to me because guys, I need a new vlogging camera. So mag-shoot na po ako doon sa DSLR ko. Not really DSLR but video siya. So at dito ko i-upload guys. Yan. It's a tablet and it have a keyboard. So lobat na siya dahil bagong kuha lang. So I'll try to film or edit na many films to edit because guys, I knew it. I will have a laptop and it's for my school only, and for FB and anything. So my dad just bought me because I said, Daddy, I want to have a laptop for my edits. So my daddy just bought me, and my daddy bought cell phone. And next Christmas my daddy will give me DSLR again. Yeah. I have lens but I'm not using it because it's low but so flex. So that is my tablet. So I have a lens, but guys, lens is so I just gonna take up. Lens is very good. So sorry, I didn't put any makeup for today because it's just a normal day and I'm going to sleep. At kung gano'n ko na yung lips ko para mag-pinky siya. Yes, guys. I'm funny. No. So hope you guys like this video. So I'm not ready for tomorrow. June 13 is not a very good day. But guys, asahan nyo na mababago na ang itsura ko because may school days na at uunti ang videos ko dahil may pasok na. Asahan nyo din na may mga edit na ang mga videos ko. Dahil ito ay walang edit. At asahan nyo na po na dadami subscriber. Oo, guys. Because, when pag grade 6 na ako, guys, I have many grand prizes to you guys. When I graduated grade 6, yeah, because now I'm grade 6, and when I graduated, yes guys, so one of my top fans will get with me in Azure in Alabang ba yun? Ewan ko, basta will stay in Azure as much as I can just to remove my schedule. and as much as I can, and or you can go with me at Aquatico or Laia. So hope you like my prices, or you just can follow me on Instagram, FB, or anything. So bye bye guys. Hope you like it. Hope you like it.